Hello students, welcome back to mathematics class. Today again I would like to discuss with you some problem related to applications of trigonometry. So here we have an important problem. So let me read this problem. A person X standing on the ground observes a bird flying at a distance of 200 meters from him at an angle of elevation of 30 degree. At the same moment, another person Y standing on the roof of a building of height 50 meter finds the angle of elevation of the same bird to be 45 degree if both are standing opposite to each other on the either side of the bird. Find the distance of the bird from Y. Okay, dear students, let me read this question one more time. See what they are given. A person X, one person is there and his name is what? X, standing on the ground. He is standing straight away on the ground, observes a bird. While standing here, he is observing the one bird flying at a distance of 200 meters from him, and that bird is from that man to the what? That bird, the distance they are given, it is 200 meter from him at an angle of elevation, and the angle of elevation that bird to here it is 30 degree. At the same moment another person, and that person standing on the roof of one building, and the height of the building they are given 50 meter, and that person also same thing is watching the bird, and the angle of elevation this time we are given 45 degree if both are standing opposite to each other. Okay, that means one person is here and one more person is that side. Both are standing opposite to each other on either side of the bird. Find the distance of the bird from Y. Find the distance of the bird from Y. Okay, so very first of all for this question we need to draw figure. Okay, so let me draw the figure. See solution for this question. Solution. See, let me take here is one bird. Okay, so one bird is there here. So I'll take here one bird. Okay, if I take and a person here. Okay, one person is there here. So he is watching this bird, and they are given the distance from this person to the what? This bird. It is 200 meter. It is 200 meter, and it is forming 30 degree angle. Okay, now at the same moment another person standing on the roof of building. Let me take here one building, and height of this building already they are given 50 meter. Okay, at the same time height of this building is 50 meter, and the person is here, it is standing on this building. So bird is there here, from here to here he is watching this bird, and this time the angle is forming here 45 degree. Okay, so 45 degree. So if this is the condition is there, means what we need to find is here the distance of the bird from Y. This is what I'll take X, this is the person, and I'll take this is what Y, this is one more person. Okay, so X is nothing but one person and Y is nothing but what? Another person, and the bird is there here. You can take this one B, bird. Okay, let me take this the point B. I'll take this point is A. Okay, so I'll take this point A, B, and I'll take this point as C. And okay, now these points are enough for us. Let me take this one point B. So if these types of points are there for us, then what we need to do is find the distance of the bird from Y. So bird to this Y, we need to find this distance. Let us, we can take one by one the what here triangles, and we will be solved. First will be take here, I will take in triangle BAX, in triangle BAX. If I taken this triangle BAX in this triangle, so apply the proper trigonometric ratio. Once we apply the proper trigonometric ratio, see, so here this we have hypotenuse they are given, and we need this. So what I will do is I will apply sine of 30 degree is equal to, okay, sine of 30 degree is equal to, we have opposite by so hypotenuse. Now it is B by, we can say it is bx. Okay, opposite by hypotenuse, BA by bx. Now BA, can we have BA? We don't have, keep as it is, sine of 30 is nothing but what? 1 by 2. Now BA can keep as it is here. Now bx, can we have bx? We have. Okay, so this is what? 200 here. Now get the value of BA. So BA is equal to how much here? So this you can take this side. So BA is equal to how much? 100 meter. Okay, so we got here value of BA. This BA is how much it is? 100 meter. Once you got this, now go for the what? Next triangle. Which one we have next triangle? BDY. In this triangle. In triangle BDY. In this triangle now we have. So again apply the proper trigonometric ratio. So I'll apply sine of, again it is sine of 45 degree. Now we can say that it is BD by, it is BY. Okay, opposite by hypotenuse, BD by BY. Now sine of 45 is nothing but 1 by root of 2. Now BD can keep as it is, you don't have, and BY also can keep as it is. Okay, now cross multiply. So what will be happens it is, so this becomes BY is equal to square root of 2 into BD. Okay, so now already we have BA here and this is for BD. So let me take this is for equation number 1. So just you can see here, if YC is 50 means this is also we have what here 50. Okay, so this is 50 means this is also 50. Now we have what here BA. So total BA is what we need? BD we need, isn't it? Now let me write here BA is equal to, so how we can write BA is equal to, it is BD plus of DA. BD plus of DA. Okay, now we need BD, isn't it? We need BD means how we can write BA total how much we have? 100, and we need BD. So DA how much we have? It is 50. Okay, now this you can transfer this side. So BD is equal to how much again? It is 50 meter. Okay, once you got BD is equal to 50 meter, now this you can take equation number 2. So this you can substitute here. So we'll get the distance. So BY is equal to square root of 2 into, otherwise we can say that what? 50 square root of 2 meter. Okay, so the distance, okay, what we need to find? Find the distance from the bird, distance of the bird from Y. So this bird to Y, how much we have distance? 50 root of 2 meter. Okay, so I hope you understood very well. Just you can see here, observe here. Okay, if once they ask you, okay, the distance from the what? A to X, this is also possible to calculate. Okay, how can you calculate? You know it very well. Okay, so you can apply what here? Cos. Once you apply the cos means you will calculate very easily. But the question they are asked was the bird, the distance from what? Bird to this Y, and BY is equal to 50 root of 2 meter. Okay, now well students, now we have here next question. Let me read this question. The angle of depression of top and bottom of an 8-meter tall building from the top of a multi-storied building are 30 degree and 45 degree. Find the height of the multi-storied building and the distance between the two buildings. Okay, so this question is very easy. So what they are given, just you can think over it. The angle of depression, this time they are given the angle of depression of the top and bottom of an 8-meter tall building from the top of a multi-storied building. That means here we have two types of building. One is for just one tall building and one more is multi-storied building. The tall building is which is standing in front of the wall, multi-storied building. Okay, and the angle of depression they are given 30 degree and 45 degree. Find the height of multi-storied building. We need to find the height of the multi-storied building and distance between the two buildings. And the distance between the two buildings. I'll give a solution of this question. Let me solve solution. So very first of all, we need to draw the figure here. So let me take one tall building. So this is, I'll take here, I'll draw 8 meter. This is tall building. Let me take this is A and this is what? B. 8 meter tall building, and opposite of this one more building is there, and that is what? Multi-storied building. Okay. So the angle of difference. So let me draw here. One more. This is one more building from here to here. We need to find this one. So this is multi-storied building, and I'll take this one AB. This is C. I'll take this is D. CD is the multi-storied building, and AB is the what? 8 meter tall building. And this time they are given angle of depressions. Okay, angle of depressions top and bottom of 8 meter tall building. So this is the what? 8 meter tall building. The top is A point and bottom of this building is B point. Okay, from top and the bottom, so multi-storied building are 30 degree and 45 degree. Okay, from its top, how much angle it is forming? So it is forming here 30 degree. Okay, so angle of depression is given, and this it is forming. So let me take here, and this it is forming 45 degree. Okay, so we know that here this is also 45, and now here I'll take one line, and this is 30 degree. Okay, and the CD is the what here? Multi-storied building. I'll take one more point E here. Okay, so this is what a clear picture of this question. So CD is the multi-storied building, AB is the tall building, and it has a 8 meter height. So if it is 8 meter means this is also 8 meter. Okay, so ED is also 8 meter. Now see, CD is nothing but what? CE plus of ED. We know it very well. We can solve this one. Now in triangle, so let me make here only. So let me take one by one triangle. In triangle CDB, in triangle CDB, CDB. Here in this triangle, so I'll apply proper trigonometric ratio. So tan of 45 I'll apply here. So once I apply the tan of 45 means we can write this one. CD opposite by base, it is BD. Okay, so CD, how much we have? So CD, we can have the combination of C plus of ED. Okay, so this is C plus of, I'll write ED is nothing but 8 here. Okay, so it's divided by BD, can we have BD, and tan of 45 is nothing but 1 itself, and this is BD. Okay. Now let me write this step here. So this implies BD, I'll take this side. So this becomes, it is BD is equal to, now this is C plus of 8, equation number 1. I'll take this is what? Equation number 1. So what is the value of BD? BD is equal to C plus of 8. Now I'll take the next triangle CEA. Okay, so in triangle CEA. So if I consider the triangle here CEA, in this I'll apply again proper trigonometric ratio, tan of 30 degree here. So now tan of 30 degree is equal to, it is CE by, we have again it is AE. Okay, CE by AE, but AE is equal to what here? BD, and BD how much we have? CE plus of 8. Okay, but so before going to this, I'll write here AE, but AE is equal to, we can say that what it is? BD. Okay. Now, so tan of 30 is nothing but what? 1 by root of 3. Now CE we can write as it is, and it is divided by AE is equal to BD. So what is the value of BE? It is CE plus of 8. Okay. Now cross multiply, so you will get what here? CE plus of 8 is equal to, now this is square root of 3 into CE. Okay, so once you got this much, now what will we do? What will we put here? C. So next here C, and here also we have C. So the thing, so this plus c we can take that side. So what will be happens it is, I will keep here 8 as it is, square root of it is 3 into c, it is plus means minus c. Okay, so now 8 is equal to this plus c, I transfer it to that side, so plus becomes what, minus square root of 3 into c minus of c. Now let me take here one more step. This implies 8 is equal to, so is there any common here? Yes, surely we have the common here. So c we can take the common. So c e into bracket of it is root 3 minus of 1. Okay, root 3 into minus, root 3 minus of 1 is the common. So we need c. So we need c means what will you do? This c will be keep here as it is. So again it is, this implies, now it is 8 by, so we will take root 3 minus of 1. Okay, root 3 minus of 1. Once we got this, is it this is the value? No. Okay, we need to solve again. So rationalize this one. So you know it very well. C is equal to 8 by, it is root 3 minus of 1 root of 3 plus of, okay, reverse the sign. You know it very well. When we are going to rationalize, the signs will be what here? Reverse. Now plus becomes minus and minus becomes what? Plus. Now this is plus. Okay. So what will be happening is c is equal to, this implies c is equal to, now this is 8 root of 3 plus of 1 by, it is 3 minus of 1. Okay, now this is a plus b, a minus b, a square minus of b square. So square will get cancelled here, and 1 square is nothing but 1 itself. So now again c is equal to, this implies we have a root of 3 plus of 1 divided by 2. Okay, 3 minus 1 is 2. We got here 2. Now this is 2 1s are 2, 2s are, now again we have c is equal to, it is 4 root of 3 plus of 1. Okay, so this is what the value of c. We got the value of c is 4 root of 3 plus of 1. But what we need here? Find c. The question is what? Find the height of multi-storied building. So CD is what our multi-storied building, and the distance between the two buildings, BD. We need to calculate CD and BD both. Okay. So CD. So let me write here CD is nothing but what? CE plus it is ED. C plus of ED. Now C 4 root of 3 plus of 1 plus ED, it is 8. Now is there any common? 4 is the common. Root 3 plus of 1, again it is plus of 2. Okay. Now next, so 4 into bracket of it is root 3 plus of 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, meter. So this is what? CD. So we got the answer. The height of the multi-storied building is how much here? CD is equal to 4 root of 3 plus 3 meter. Okay. Now also we need to find BD. So already we got somewhere here BD. Okay, where we can substitute the value of this. Once we substituted the value, okay, BD we have here. Once we substituted the value of C, we will get again. So already I think we are substituted. So okay, we got same, because this is CD is equal to what again? BD, and we got the value, and this is the what? Final value. Otherwise I'll write here BD is equal to also what it is? BD. We know that variable it is C plus of 8, and ED we know it very well. ED is 8. The answer will come again same. C is what here? We have CE. Already we calculated C where it is. Okay. Okay, this is what? C. Now 4 root of 3 plus of 1 plus of, it is again 8. Now 4 root of 3 plus of 9. It is what? BD, meter. So we got the two answers here. Okay. So C we have the what here? Already we have calculated 4 root of 3 plus of 1 plus, because we we need to calculate the BD. So BD, okay. So BD is CE plus of 8. It is again 9 meter. So this is one answer and this is one more answer. So once we got these are the answers, so we can say this is what very easy problem here. But you need to solve stepwise one by one, and you need to take here we all got two triangles. You need to take one by one triangle, solve it very easily. Okay, you get your answer very easily. I hope you understood very well.